Ever wondered what it's like to pause time? Well, I never did, until it happened. I was the shy kid in the back row, invisible in the bustling world of high school. I sneezed one day, just a regular sneeze. Or so I thought. Suddenly, everything stopped. The clock hands froze mid-tick, the chatter of my classmates vanished, and even the paper plane hung suspended in mid-air. It was like stepping into an anime scene. My heart raced. What kind of power was this? My timid heart dared to dream. I could change everything. I ran to the front row, scribbled correct answers on my test, and returned just in time for another sneeze. Time resumed, and the class erupted back to life. I sat there, grinning at my newfound secret. Who knew allergies could be so powerful?